The Hydroshot WG620E is the first truly mobile pressure cleaner. It's been copied so many times, but still remains the best you can buy today. The Hydroshot is a cordless portable power cleaner, easy to store and easy to carry. Take it anywhere for easy, convenient cleaning on the go. It draws water from any source: bucket, tap, bottle, lake, river or pool. If there's water, you can clean your stuff anywhere and any time. It has a 5-in-1 pressure nozzle, allowing you to select the spray angle and strength, whether it's watering the garden or cleaning stubborn stains off the patio. It works at a maximum pressure of 24 bar. That's 10 times the pressure of a normal hose. And it uses Worx Powershare batteries. One battery for all your power tools. With a multitude of accessories, you'll be able to configure your Hydroshot to take on all the tasks you need to do quickly and efficiently. To assemble the Hydroshot, take the long lance and, making sure one notch is pointing upwards, insert it into the main unit, pushing with a little pressure, and give it a quarter turn twist to the right. Pull the metal collar down on the other end of the lance and insert the pressure nozzle, releasing the metal collar to secure it in place. Take the hose with a quick connect fitting and click it onto the underside of the unit. Connect the other end of the hose to a tap and turn it on. Alternatively, use the draw hose supplied and drop the filter end into a bucket of water. Now attach a 20-volt Powershare battery and you're ready to go. To start the Hydroshot, press the safety lock down and then pull the trigger. You can adjust the spray angle by rotating the pressure nozzle. There are 5 settings, from a concentrated single point to a gentle water spray. And there are a host of accessories available for your everyday needs. A short lance for easier movement. A misting nozzle for a fine mist on your plants. A turbo nozzle for an expanded cleaning area. A pivot nozzle to adjust the angle of spray. A rotary cleaning brush for more effective cleaning. A window squeegee to clean and wipe as you go. A soap foam bottle to apply a coating of cleaning foam. A bottle connector to draw water from a plastic bottle. A cleaning brush for easy brush cleaning as you spray. A foldable water bucket for convenience. The Worx Hydroshot WG620E is a light, compact and highly portable power cleaner. It'll draw water from any water source to hand and has a 5-in-1 pressure nozzle to vary your spray angle. It has a maximum 24 bar cleaning pressure. That's 10 times the pressure of a normal garden hose. And with the plethora of accessories, you'll be able to configure your Hydroshot exactly as you want it. As an alternative, you could step up to the WG633E. This Hydroshot has all the benefits of the WG620E, but with the added advantage of a nitro brushless motor and a 4-amp-hour battery for more power and longer runtime. It has an incredible maximum 56 bar cleaning pressure, and together with an IPX7 rated waterproof battery case, this Hydroshot is a compact portable power cleaner able to remove stubborn dirt and is a match for the toughest of jobs. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.